Very early one morning, whilst Caspar was curled up tight deep in doggy dreams, his slumber was rudely interrupted. "Walkies, Caspar!" squawked Mrs. P. Caspar didn't much enjoy his walks in the cold, fresh London air, and often muttered and grumbled to himself in the manner of an old grumpy badger. Mid-morning, after tea and crumpets, Mrs. P. took her regular nap. Caspar, alert as ever, was ready. He tip-pawed his way around her chair, heading purposefully for the doggy flap leading to the garden. "Oh, cat's breath, I'm 1 minute 25 seconds late," mumbled Caspar. "How tiresome!" He calmly climbed into the peg-bag on the washing line and with a flick of his paw started to creak and creep down the garden towards the large shed, only stopping to jump out and land somewhat ungracefully on all fours in front of it. The jumble caused by his quick washing-line ride was so immediately apparent, but he was in a hurry and didn't care much. "Wowell Detective Agency," read the sign above the doggy flap. Caspar removed his bone-shaped tag from his collar and held it by the door. With a buzz, click, whiz, and spin of the tag, the shed door slowly creaked open. In strode Caspar.